Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel KI News. I hope we'll be fine. This time we talk about Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum promo. Mustafa confirms Adil after he had Bab insult Sharjina. मुझसे बुरा कोई नहीं होगा. Once again, I say welcome back to channel viewers and all viewers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates. Stay connected with me. Like and share my video. In the new promo of Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum and Sharjina confirmed Rubah from insulting her. Mustafa takes a stand for the later after Adil interface. Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum is a gaining descent कभी मैं कभी तुम is a gaining instant viewerships onto a encouraged narrative and a thesis plot from a exploring family dynamics to a highlighting the stark contrast between the upper and middle class. This Pakistani series is one of its kind. The latest episode aired as September 2, 2024, and now the makers have a posted either giving a glimpse of upcoming episode after Sharjina and Mustafa and their different. The latter takes a stand for her when Rubab insult her. While Sharjina and Mustafa leave the house, the latest teaser of the Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum the opened us with the Mustafa and Sharjina sweet conversations as they later returned home after cleaning the misunderstanding. Mustafa says, पता नहीं तुम्हारा पता नहीं तुम्हारे बिना मैं कैसे जी लिया शर्जीना अब ऐसा लगता है कि तुम्हारे बगैर अधूरा रह जाऊंगा. I do not know how to live without you, Sharina. Now it seems, but I will be incomplete with you. The promo transitions to a scan with Sharina Bobby seen taking about Sharina to same guest, committing upon to her later and ended up getting married to Mustafa adjusted. Well, Dubab says Adil के साथ शादी नहीं हो पाई, Mustafa के साथ हो गई. Her marriage did not happen with Adil and she got married to Mustafa after a while. The guest take about wa- walk away. He Shajina seemed disappointed in Rubab in a behavior. Latest confronting Rubab for the same he closes for my come and stares. Alas, mind praise देख अपना शौक देख अपना शोहर खरीदा नहीं है तुम्हारा तरह वो मेरे पास की वजह से मेरी गुलामी नहीं करता. You have not thought my husband with money like you. He does not act as a to sell to me because of my money. Listening to her hurried remarks, Jubab asks Adil to place Regina quiet and claims that she is crossing the limit. Adil asks Regina to apologize. Meanwhile, Mustafa enters the scan and is seeing Adil taking rudely to her, wants him if you insult Gina that I did not control myself when it reels it back and calls him a loser. Mustafa holds Sajina hand and two walk away from the scan. And what happened the last episode? The last episode and the latest episodes number 2 so, and 2024 shared with the Shajina and Mustafa missing each other present as their love separately after engaging is an argument while she feels lonely with her husband he seems and without her on the other hand Iftikhar seemed unhappy and with Rubab say we are talking to and treating Adil. He spoke to a Shagufta about the same and said and शोहर और शोहर और मुलाजिम में कोई फ़र्क तो होता है ना. इस तरह थोड़ी बात करते हैं अपने शोहर से. देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ हस्बैंड एंड अ सर्वेंट. This is not how not talk to her husband. And later Shadina called Mustafa to bring her laptop and phone chargers. When he arrived at her home, to the two clear that misunderstanding and ended their future. When she returned to Mustafa, home is mom tempted her, but this time Mustafa took a stand for her. Her stared that yeah, both for back about Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum written by Farhat and Ishtiaq and directed by Madan Mahmood. Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum stars Fahad Mustafa, Mustafa, Hania Amar, Ashir Dinam, Bushra Inthari, as Gufta, Imad, Irfan, Adib, Javed Sheikh, as Iftikhar, Naeem Bhatt as Rubab, and Maya Khan, Sidra, among others, in the premiere on July 2, 2024 on ARV Digital. The drama airs a new episode on Monday and a Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, have a nice time. Goodbye.